We're having CC tomorrow. You know already? You want the same thing? Yeah. Oh yeah. We have to make a little Burmania though. How'd you make it? Flour and butter mixed together. Nothing is a pain for my little angel. Did you say you were going? Did you see the news footage of America? Yeah? See, you would have been like throwing you.
You know I'm recording.
Look at him. Callum Wainwright. Callum Wainwright.
Callum Wainwright.
Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to do the fishing rod glitch, okay? First step, go to your house, go to your pond, and go to your fishing pad. Go off it like this. Swim back, woods, on the pad, and move off it, and you will egg your bottle. Wine. No good, I can't trick him into typing what I'm saying. Alright?